Size of the box for the large box is pretty easy. We know that the length is 6 inches and the width and height are 4 inches that was given to us. But what about scale for the smaller box? Let's start with 3 3/4. Okay, we're first going to calculate the length. The length on the large box is 6 inches, but we need it to 3/4 scale. So we're going to multiply 6 times 3/4, so go ahead and make 6 into a fraction by putting 1 below it. 6 times 3 equals 18. 1 times 4 equals 4. Well, 18 divided by 4, that's what that fraction means. If you figure it out on the calculator, it's 4.5 inches. So now we know the length on the second largest box is actually going to be 4.5 inches. What about height and width? Well, they're both 4. So if you go 4 over 1, we'll make the 4 into a fraction times our scale of 3/4. 3 times 4 equals 12. 1 times 4 equals 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So for our second largest box, if we look at this closer, our large box is 6 inches in length, 4 inches in width, 4 inches in height. For the second largest box, it'll be 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 3 inches width. Alright, use the same calculation as we did the first time around, except change 3/4 to 1/2 for the third largest box, and 3/4 to 1/4 for the smallest box.